These are the new TOZO HT2 hybrid active noise cancelling headphones. Sleek, powerful, and made for life on the move. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or just walking the dog, they block out the chaos so you can stay in your zone. The sound quality, honestly, surprisingly. Rich bass, clean highs, and crystal clear vocals, perfect for podcast, movies, or zoning in on your work projects. It's a high fidelity sound experience that you can actually feel. It comes with everything right inside of the box. The headphones, the charging cords. The foam is very, very luxury and very nice. It's not your normal cheap foam earpiece. It's very high quality material. You could tell right off the bat. It's very smooth. It has a USB Type-C plug, the noise cancellation button, the outlet for the sound, the up and down volume buttons, as well as the on and off button. And yes, these headphones were built to move. Comfortable, lightweight, and with up to 60 hours of battery life, they're not quitting before you do. Plus, with transparency mode, you're in control of how much sound comes in. Advanced noise cancelling when you need peace, transparency, and you want to stay alert. And sound that just works. The TOZO HT2 checks out all the boxes without breaking the bank. TOZO, just for good sound.